Heavy rains, thunderstorms and hail hit Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia's National Center of Meteorology (NCM) has issued a red alert for heavy rains, thunderstorms and strong winds expected to impact several regions. The alert forecasts torrential downpours, hail and high waves, with low visibility due to dust and strong winds. The city of Medina in the early morning on Monday, January 6, witnessed heavy rainfall accompanied by hail showers and lightning. The NCM has announced that most regions of Saudi Arabia will experience rainfall ranging from moderate to heavy until Wednesday, January 8th. Since the bad weather is predicted to affect numerous places over the Makkah region, authorities have advised people to take required care.